Hello, all. Welcome to a new Silly Point episode. Another fascinating week of the IPL. So, today, Zahid and me are going to look at our roundup of week two. Some interesting games there, some very, very good individual performances. And two teams in particular are looking, very, very strong this year. Uh, both teams are a bit of a surprise, you would think, given
Yeah.
how the previous season have gone for them. So as always, I've got Zahid here with me. Zahid, do you agree with me that both the RCB and CSK are looking quite strong this year?
Yeah, they made a very good start. I think it's RCB, they played well last year, so
Yeah,
less of a surprising. They had a bit of a better balance in the squad, and both of us in our previews also had them in the top four, I think. So
yeah,
so
yeah,
but to have a perfect record so far is pretty commendable.
yeah.
CSK is a surprise.
Yes,
Hands up,
yeah,
I think we both had them as bottom.
yeah.
So bring on the trolling CSK fans.
Well,
But
yeah, I mean, see, I think with both teams, the biggest advantage for both teams is the fact that they've got lots of all-rounders.
yeah.
So RCB have, for example, got 7 to 8 bowling options,
Mm,
and someone like Kyle Jamieson can bat at 7, 6, 7, 8 even.
yeah.
So lots of flexibility there. And similarly with CSK, they've got six very, very good bowling options.
Yeah.
And I think Moeen Ali has made a big difference, to the side with the batting as well. And they
Yeah.
bat like Deepak Chahar is someone that's batting at number 11. He
Yeah.
can potentially in any other team, he can bat higher up. He can bat,
Yeah.
8, 9.
Yeah.
So very long, deep batting lineup. So both lots of options. Yes, CSK big surprise. I mean, not much of a change since last year, right? From their team,
Yeah.
pretty much the same players. The
Yeah.
only inclusion was Moeen Ali and Kedar Jadhav drops out. So
Yeah.
just better form. I don't know.
Yeah. I think it's a mix of better form. I mean, Raina coming in is a big plus. He's played really well.
Coming in,
Surprisingly,
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah,
one would have expected him to be a bit rusty, but he's done
yeah,
really well. Faf has come good
yeah,
in the last game. Gaikwad,
yeah.
he's got
Doing
once he's
well.
under his
Yeah,
belt, so he's more experienced.
yeah.
But it's really I think well maybe everyone except Dhoni has
Yeah.
I mean he kind of hit
As
it a little
fired.
bit in the previous game, but apart
Yeah,
from that, I mean Sam Curran he didn't bowl well in the game
yeah,
against KKR, was it?
yeah,
But he's scored crucial runs.
yeah,
Jadeja has been phenomenal. So I think it's a team. You can't say there's been one standout performer,
yeah. True, true,
maybe
true.
similar to like RCB, where Maxwell, at least in the first three games, obviously he didn't get a
Yeah,
chance to play in the last game, has
yeah,
been the standout performer.
yeah. No, I
There's been
agree. I agree. And both teams in the last
yeah,
week have had very strong individual performances as well. Faf du Plessis scoring a 90 against KKR.
yeah,
Devdutt Padikkal absolutely smashing 100.
yeah,
Yes, we did talk a lot about how he slows down after the power play in the last year, and he really answered that question emphatically,
yeah, yeah,
especially coming from after having COVID to play such a long innings.
yeah,
Hats off to him. So really good, good show
yeah.
there. And I think it's fair to say now that we should be considering CSK a top 14.
Well, it's
The
easy to
question
say
is
now,
who drops out.
obviously.
It's yeah, in
Yeah, it's
hindsight,
look, it's
yes,
easy to say now. I mean, look, they are contenders. I mean, you can't say they're not after there's what
yeah,
second in the
yeah,
table after four games.
yeah,
Um, but let's see. I mean, last year Rajasthan started off really well, and then they completely lost it, right? So they I think
yeah,
won their
yeah.
first 3 4 games, and then they kind of fell off towards the end. So you never know what
I
might
agree.
happen.
True. Coming
But
coming to
yeah,
Rajasthan, actually, I like talking about Rajasthan because they're such an enigmatic team. On
yeah,
the day, they can be the best batting lineup ever, best
yeah,
bowling lineup ever. But normally,
yeah,
they're worse than they are better. And
yeah.
I
I mean,
kind of it's just kind of down to like maybe someone like Sanju Samson, who's now the captain.
yeah.
He scored a big 100, and then after that, he's just had nothing.
Exactly. Yeah. So I think that's the issue. They're just relying on one or two big performances. I think it
Yeah,
was Miller and Morris carried them over the line in the only victory they've had. Otherwise, they've
yeah,
not been. I mean, again, it's the case of they've had one or two good performances individually. Sakaria started off really well.
yeah, yeah,
Samson obviously that 100, and then he's done nothing, which again proves our point that he's as good as he can be. He's very frustrating.
yeah. True.
Butler has not really done much. He's got a couple of starts.
Yeah,
He needs to really step up.
yeah,
So, and obviously,
yeah,
losing Stokes is a big loss.
Yeah, I agree.
But
And in that regard, they've lined up Rassie van der Dussen
yeah,
as a replacement for you Stokes or Archer or Liam
well, not
Livingston.
for Archer, but
So
yeah,
well,
for
yeah, I
Stokes'
mean whoever
batting.
they've picked him. So that's a good replacement in my opinion.
Yeah,
They do
he's in
need
good form.
Yeah, they do need someone who can stabilize or even score quickly, which
Yeah.
RVD has shown that he can do both things in against Pakistan at least.
Yeah, I
Um,
think the problem is their lower middle order again, or that middle order is just weak. I mean, Parag, he's hit a couple. I think played well in that first game, but he
yeah,
scores 20s and 30s and gets out.
yeah, true.
But he had one good finish against RCB.
Yeah,
Morris just when he won that one game against DC, but it's
yeah.
just again no consistency. One-off
I think,
performances.
yeah, I mean, I feel like it's more about the top order,
Yeah,
right? If somehow, right, so Rajasthan is the team that has lost the most number of wickets in the power play this season so
yeah,
far. So if somehow they can, not lose early wickets,
yeah,
they can be at a reasonable score, let's say in the 10th, 12th over, like a
yeah,
80, 90 for one, then the likes of Shivam Dubey, Riyan Parag, Rahul Tewatia, Morris, they can really show their colors.
yeah,
They're not the kind of players that can maybe build an innings. They're like, they like to go in kind of in the second half of the innings and go
yeah,
bang bang from ball one. So
yeah.
I feel like, the top three, top four, that's where the issue is for Rajasthan, and that's why I say RVD is a good replacement or a
Yeah.
good, potential player in that top four lineup.
Yeah, he can definitely solidify
And
the middle
obviously
order.
Archer is out of the IPL, and
Yeah,
that's a big loss. But they should have predicted this, and they should have, if they
yeah.
wanted, they still will probably pick a replacement, but they could have done it sooner.
Yeah, I mean
It
the
looked
bowling has it okay, they got smashed by RCB and I think Kings 11 or Punjab, but that was a high scoring game anyway. The game against Punjab Kings,
Yeah, yeah,
and even the RCB game. I mean, if they were 40 for 4, that's why they ended up at 170. If they had a good start, they could have easily gotten 210, 220, which would have made it a much more interesting game.
yeah,
Right?
of course. Yeah,
So I
yeah,
think the bowling has done okay. I really won't blame their bowling. It's mainly the batting that needs to perform.
yeah. I agree. No, I
Um,
mean, it's just about having a spare option, right?
yeah,
So if you can pick, if you can pick a genuinely quick bowler to have in your arsenal, why not?
yeah, exactly.
As a replacement for Archer. But I agree that the bowling has not done too badly. It's
Yeah,
they're lacking in the batting, in the top
yeah,
order batting.
I agree.
Um, Coming on to Punjab,
Yeah.
do you think they've now managed to sort out their balance issues with Hendricks and
Not
Fabian Allen coming
really. I
in?
mean, the first game they played with that team, they got bowled out for 108, wasn't it?
Yeah,
So not really, but I mean they beat MI. I mean, that was mainly again because of the bowling because they restricted them to 130, and then it's just easier
yeah,
chase. I
yeah.
still think they need to play one of the two fast bowlers. They need to have, I think they should play Hendricks. I think he always hasn't really done much. But I think if you give him a couple of games, I think he'll come good. He's a good all-round option.
Yeah.
But I think they need to have one, and Shami has not really been at it as well. So
Well,
it's
I think I would probably say that Shami's bowling against Mumbai was
yeah,
absolutely top notch.
yeah, just that one game, right? Again,
Just
but before
that
that,
game,
yeah,
yeah. I just want to highlight that. Yes, I know people, especially in Chennai, they want to bowl slower cutters, off
yeah,
cutters into the pitch. But Shami showed that if you can execute the Yorker well,
yeah,
if you bowl a Yorker at 140 clicks, that's just difficult to get away. Even if that ends up as a low full toss,
yeah,
someone like Pollard couldn't hit them.
yeah,
So that just goes to show you, good old fashioned Yorker bowling can also
yeah,
work. But no, I agree that they need to pick between one of Hendricks or Fabian Allen as the all
yeah,
rounder,
yeah,
and then pick one of Riley Meredith, Chris Jordan, or Jai Richardson
yeah,
as an additional pace option.
yeah,
And honestly, I always
yeah,
believe that it's better to have six bowling options than
yeah.
five.
I agree.
So in that regard, they might want to think about dropping either uh, um, what's his name? Maybe
Puran.
Puran. He hasn't had
Is
a
that
good
what
match in that.
three ducks?
Three ducks, yeah, and it's the first time in a season, in an IPL season, that a player has got a duck of zero balls, one ball, and two balls.
Yeah,
So maybe drop him out, and then you can easily have Hendricks and Fabian Allen bat one number higher.
Yeah.
and
True.
pick a medium pacer, or drop Deepak Huda or Shah Rukh Khan, one of them.
Yeah, I mean, Shah Rukh Khan has done decently well. Like in that game with the goal, got out for 100. I think he was the only one who
Yeah,
kind of
of course. Yeah,
gave
yeah,
them some stability. He scored some runs.
true.
What's his name? I mean, Gale. He's done okay. So he's not done. I mean, he started. He got a 60 in the first game, I think was it, and then after that, he's not
Yeah,
really done
yeah,
much. I mean, he got a 40 in that
yeah.
chase, but there was no pressure.
But even
You
yeah,
can't
if you
drop
look
Gale,
at the
no.
game against MI, yeah, you can't drop Gale. See how well he adapted his game
Yeah,
to the wicket in Chennai. So
yeah,
I just feel like Gale is absolutely fine at three.
yeah,
I know lots of people are calling for David Malan, but where can he play?
yeah,
Just the
exactly.
balance that they have. If Gale was in horrible form, then yes, you could play Malan, but not now.
Yeah, true.
And then just quickly, just a few points on MI. They're really
Yeah,
struggling in Chennai, aren't they?
yeah,
And then
yeah.
and then they're going to Delhi. So the conditions in Delhi are also similar to Chennai, slow, low.
Yeah.
So what should they do? Like, can they afford to drop the Pandya Bros, Pollard,
They should make Hardik
Kishan?
Pandya bowl. Otherwise, the balance is completely out.
Yeah, yeah. I
Hardik needs
mean,
to bowl. I mean, there's no point in having him as a batsman at five. What's pure batsman? He's
true.
not a pure batsman at five, especially when you've seen him. He's really struggled this year. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
so there's no point in
I
playing him
mean,
as a pure batsman.
so my opinion is right. They could certainly switch around. Maybe Ishan Kishan. The last two games he's had a horrible time.
Yeah,
So maybe time to bring in someone like Saurabh Tiwari.
yeah,
Yeah, and then potentially because they're already playing with three overseas players, Krunal Pandya can be dropped and James Neesham can come in.
yeah, yeah. They've got that
You know,
option.
they've got
Uh,
that option, which then again means that they've got Neesham, Bolt, and Bumrah as the fast bowling options, and then they've got Rahul Chahar and Jayant Yadav as the spin bowling
yeah.
options, which is
I mean, it
not bad. And
depends. Yeah,
Pollard can always bowl a couple of overs. So
yeah. I mean, it depends also. I mean, if you're dropping Kishan, then you can't drop QDK. He's not had a
yeah,
really good
true.
start. I mean, Chris Lynn, he got 49 in the only game he played in. I don't
Yeah,
think
yeah, true.
QDK has got that many in 4 or 5 innings combined. So three
Yeah,
innings
fair
combined.
enough.
So give Lynn a chance, or maybe move Kishan to open.
Yeah,
They
and
have
make
some
him keep.
flexibility. Yeah,
Yeah, and make him keep as well. So I agree. I mean, still not a time to write off Mumbai. I still
yeah.
think
They always late come up late, so you never know.
they're always top four
Yeah,
material.
yeah.
Um, and then
KKR.
yeah, I mean KKR and Delhi. I mean, don't you think they're just sticking to their
Yeah,
preseason thing of Delhi being one of the
yeah,
top teams? Whether they
yeah,
can win the IPL, we don't know. And KKR being absolutely enigmatic, very good in one game, very shit in
yeah.
the other. Question marks over there. Batting order, especially in the middle order, who's
Yeah.
batting at 4, 5, 6, exactly the same as last
It's the
season, no
same
changes.
problem.
Same problems.
Playing Narayan, dropping Shakib,
Yeah,
mixing it up. Morgan has struggled, which is not has been disappointing.
yeah, true.
They've relied on,
Shubman Gill has
yeah,
struggled a lot.
yeah. So had to rely on, innings. Russell played well against RCB, but it was too late.
Yeah,
Pat Cummins, with a random 70 or was it
that was
against
that was
CSK?
crazy.
Yeah,
I mean, had he not scored those runs, I would have said, okay, take him out and you can easily
yeah,
replace him with Lockie Ferguson. But now
yeah,
he's made himself undroppable.
yeah.
Can't drop him.
So, so yeah, it's just too much inconsistency. Delhi, I mean, obviously I didn't have them in my top four.
Yeah,
It's surprising.
regret that.
Dhawan's done really well. Yeah, I mean, I didn't think he would do that well, but he's really, stepped up.
Yeah,
And
I think
that's been the big plus for them, right? They've had good
positive.
starts.
Yeah,
Um,
and Shaw has been in decent form. He's kind
yeah, I
of
mean,
carried on his form from the Syed Mushtaq. Was it the Syed Mushtaq or the Vijay Hazare Trophy?
yeah.
One of the Indian domestic tournaments.
So, so yeah, and then we come to SRH, who finally won a game.
Is it well? I think they won because of YJB. You either call
Yeah,
him Yorkshire's Johnny Best or young Johnny Best, or no matter. But YJB looks like he's in the form of his life.
yeah.
Yeah, so great,
No, but they
great.
were chasing like really low total anyway.
Yeah, they were chasing a low total even then, right? Uh, Johnny Bairstow and David Warner came bang bang in the power play,
Yeah,
right? And then that makes it so much easier, even if you slow
true,
down in the middle overs. Just
true.
makes it easier to chase down a middling total like a 130. So I definitely agree that having Kane Williamson in there allows them a better balance.
Yeah.
Somehow, even though Kedar Jadhav is in the team, it looks like a slightly better balanced team.
Yeah.
Because you've got Abhishek Sharma and Rashid Khan as your spinners.
Yeah.
Jadhav can give you 1 or 2 overs, right?
Yeah.
And then apart from that, you've got Bhuvi Kumar and you've got
Yeah.
Khalil Ahmed and maybe a little bit of Vijay Shankar. So
Yeah.
much better balance there, I think, with this team.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Natarajan,
big blow for them, that Natarajan is out of the IPL. But again, I feel like they've got their bases covered.
Yeah.
With Khalil, with Basil Thampi, with Sandeep Sharma. So
yeah, Siddharth Kaul was also
Siddharth Kaul, yes, he did pretty decently.
Yeah, I mean, Bhuvi hasn't been that good as well. He's not performed up to expectations. So
yes,
it's also been a big loss. But they have time. I mean, Warner, so they can still come back.
Yeah, true.
Definitely not favorites anymore.
No. We've said that they'll win the IPL. That looks unlikely at the moment, but things can change.
Yeah, let's see where we are in a week's time.
So now the question is, who do you stick with your predictions of top 4, or are you going to change them?
I think I might kick out. I mean, the spreadsheet is where it is, but in retrospect, I would take Kings 11 out and probably put one of DC or actually, you know what? I'm going to make a big call. I'm going to throw MI out and I'm going to throw Kings 11 or Punjab Kings out.
Punjab Kings, yeah.
And I'm going to put in DC and CSK.
CSK, interesting. Tougher choice for me. Or based on what's happened so far, I have got to drop Sunrisers and put CSK in because I don't think Mumbai, Delhi, and RCB are going anywhere. So yeah, let's see how it progresses. Things can change in a matter of a week. Sunrisers and Mumbai can go on big winning streaks, and CSK can go on losing streak. So things can change. But there you have it. That's our roundup for week 2 of the IPL. Hope you've been following the IPL and you've been following our episodes. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and do let us know what other type of content you'd like to see on our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.
Thank you.